in this episode of FUM0038 machining. We are going to do, this is a nightmare for every person who is hamster, collector, or whatever like I am. My heart is going to bleed today. I need to clean up my workshop. I have done a big amount of stuff already, but there is still a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of, and I need to clean this environment. So I will show you, then you understand. Okay, starting from this corner. This gray thing, that's originally that's an aluminium case for a mast amplifier. There are some connectors in it and whatever. It has been sitting here about, let's say, 20 years. Haven't done anything for that. And then there under, you can probably see under there are some unfinished projects. Then this late desk bench, here I need to do some cleanup. As you can see, it's a mess. And somewhere here, hidden under all this stuff, I have my old, this nice little steel brush. I have a new one, so that one of course needs to go, as well as some of the metal particles here. Then, here in this corner, we have a lot of fancy transformers, which I really don't need. Sitting here for more than 10 years, don't need them. And a lot of other stuff here too, which is probably not used. Okay, paints, okay, you never know. And then up here, everything is needed, nothing to go away. This is probably my best thing. Up here, okay, some materials, okay. And then up here, up there is absolutely nothing I would use at the moment. And then this one too. That cardboard box contains old printed circuit boards with components. Okay, they will go, as well as that corner there. And then some old capacitors, one transformer, which I really don't know what it is. A little bit more transformers. And then we have more transformer stuff. Some really old fixed disk drive cabinet, which I don't need, and whatever. Then we have some materials there I might use and might not. Then here we have more stuff which is not usable. Some transistor radio handles. Okay. And then some crap. Some housings here. Okay. And then we have this crap here. This pile, which is probably filled with stuff I never need. Okay. So, all in all, it's going to be quite a lot of stuff going out. And this of course frees some space on the floor. Yes, you didn't see all. I didn't want to see you all because it's enough that my heart is bleeding. I don't want to make your heart bleed as well. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I will put on the outside, I will have this trailer, which I'm going to put all this stuff into. And it will be a time-lapse video. Enjoy! Okay, I'll show you now. This here is stuff I already got out of my shelves, 5 of them. And yeah, okay, these transformers here were not inclusive. They were from different place, but all this stuff here just sitting and taking place in my very usable shelves, and now they are free, finally. And yeah, some of these parts might be used. I know there will be persons who, when they see this video, will scream. But, well, believe me, I'm screaming as well. This is not easy operation, but I need the I need the space. And this is something really oh yeah, for example, that copper wire there, well, I do have a copper wire new in rolls, so I really don't need this one, and I also have the correct size. So let's go inside and see what I did here. I'm sweating because this is not an easy task to do. So, ta-da! So this was the cleanup workshop clean process. Next time it will be there I look at it, there will be the housing for the electronics, variable frequency drives, maybe a logic board for this milling machine. And there will be a reservation for future in a way that there might be DRO installed in this one. Well, I'm not sure. But, okay. Before I end this video, I would like to show you one thing more, which is really nice. Now, if you look at that one, you will probably notice it's completely dry. So, this means that no oil has been leaking after 1 hour of running and after sitting the whole night here. Yeah. Let's look into the oil hole there. You can see we have the oil. I filled it up so that I know there is a line inside there. Nothing has disappeared. Okay. So till the next time, see you.